All right, so we just cooked an egg right now, but we're gonna do chorizo and egg. That's a different thing. So let's go ahead and start with the chorizo first. All right, and we're gonna open this up all the way we can. So let's start this cook. Okay, once we cook the actual chorizo, we are gonna prepare 3 eggs in here, all right? And this part is like it's your choice. Depends on how many eggs you want, 2 or 3 or 4. It's up to you. But I am gonna do 2 burritos, actually for 2 people, 3 burritos out of it. So I'm gonna put 3 eggs in here, and of course, and I made a mistake. I actually broke it too hard that I dropped a little piece, and you know what? I'm Mexican. I grabbed it. It was hot. All right, on this place, we are gonna actually add the chorizo, mix it up, make sure it's well integrated with the actual egg. And this is gonna be the part that it depends up to you because some people like it a little soggy, some people like it dry. It's up to you. I kind of like it a little bit more like on the both in the middle. All right, I cooked it almost to an omelet type, and it's because I like to flip it over and I like to cut it into different pieces once it's done. It's much easier to distribute if you want to do multiple burritos or tacos. Everybody gets an equal piece, or you can actually divide it and see how much you need or how much you're going to require. But this part is the easiest part. Just wait and then flip it over and it's ready to cut. To do the tortillas too, so we're going to do a burrito. This one's ready, pretty much. So we're going to turn it off. And then we're going to start cutting it off. You guys can see. So we're going to start slicing half first. So to make a burrito, you fold them in, and then you twist this part here, and then tuck in. There you go, something like that. So, all right, burrito time. All right, again. It's like changing Pampers almost to a very delicate, yummy, delicious taco burrito. So go to the shorter side first, spin it, tuck in, and then tuck in again. That should do it.